Whatever it was choking the shit out of me. Like I couldn't breathe. It's like me a flatter. It's just
Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome to my channel. Yo, it's story time. Do you believe in ghosts? Or Jamaicans, we call it Duppy. Today I'm gonna share my experiences of ghosts or Duppy, whichever you choose to call it. Yeah, so I went and got me a glass of wine. Sip while I tell this story. So my first so-called experience with Duppy or ghost, whichever you choose to call it, was around 2014. No lie. 2009. My then girlfriend and I, we went to one of our close friend's funeral. Rest in peace, Raymond, aka Gazaman. He was our driver at the time. And after the funeral, we got home. You know, both of us sad and just feeling down. So we just had our Sunday dinner and basically went to bed around 7:30, pretty early. So I don't know what happened, but I know I was sleeping and I just feel myself, I couldn't breathe, you know, like something or someone was choking me. You see me I say? So I don't know what was happening, but I know for a fact that I was hitting my spouse like non-stop. Yo, help. That's how I sounded, you know? I was trying to wake her up, but she wasn't waking up. I don't know if I was hitting her or not. I don't know what, to be honest, I don't know what was going on, but I was saying help. I was calling her by name, everything, and nothing was working, you know? And whatever it was choking the shit out of me. Like I couldn't breathe. It's like me a flatter. It's just, it was a awful experience. And this went on for a while. I couldn't tell it went on for 30 seconds or 5 minutes, but it went on for a while and I was hitting her, I was screaming, shouting. And then I remember when I was young and we used to go to church, and when we used to have lunchtime, the kids, we used to gather, adults gather, and we as kids, we used to talk about Duppy story. And I remember they always say, if you see a ghost or anything of that sort, you should either pray or chant some psalms. So that's what I started doing. I started, Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. I did that for a little bit. I think I repeated that sentence for around 5 or 6 times. Nothing more than just Lord is my shepherd, Lord is my shepherd. And then whatever it was, it eased up. Like I felt free and I woke up, you know? When I woke up or escaped from whatever it was, homegirl was still sleeping. So I you know, I wake her up and I call her by name. And I was like, yo, you know, somebody I try to wake you up, you know? And she was like, no, what happened? And I started to tell her what went on while she was sleeping, because all the hit I was hitting her while this thing was taking over my body or squeezing the life, choking the life out of me. She wasn't waking up. You understand? She was frightened and afraid, just like myself. I was frightened and afraid, and after I wake her up, I went on my knees and I whispered a word of prayer. Then I called my family, my adopted mom, who is a Christian, that whole household Christian home, and I called and I said, hey, I just had a bad experience. I don't know what happened. Something held me down in my sleep. So please pray for me. You understand? And my girlfriend at the time, we were talking about it, and she was saying like her legs hurt. It's either that thing hit her or I really hit her hard. She didn't go to work the next day. I guess she was scared as well. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I was super scared. I thought I was gonna die. But anyway, fast forward to probably 2014 or 15. I was at home, probably around 6 o'clock. So sun was setting, it was bright. I was home alone, I believe. And I was sleeping on the sofa, lie down like this, yeah. And the door is that way. And I remember seeing her coming in, and she called to me, but I was sleeping. But I saw her for a fact. But I couldn't wake up, and I was trying to wake up. And it felt like something was holding me as well. I'm like, this can't be, because I'm not sleeping. How is it I can't wake up? And I remember the night of 2009 when it seemed like something was holding me in my sleep. I mean, I'm like, damn, this can't be real. I can't Duppy or a ghost then, because a broad daylight, I'm not sleeping. I see my spouse coming in through the door, but yet I can't wake up. And I decided to call out for help. I was like, help, help. And it wasn't getting her attention. And I said, all right, then let me whisper a word of prayer. So I started praying. And it's like, that wasn't helping. So I wonder what is going on with me. As I said, I was laying on my back. And I keep on saying help, and I was praying, mumbling words. So she touched me and said, wake up. I'm like, yo. When she wake me, I'm like, yo, thank God you wake me up, because I don't know what is going on with me. Like, I saw that you came in, but I couldn't wake up. Like, may I call you out, may I call you by name, may I say help, may I pray? And she said, yeah, you was just mumbling and moving funny, so I decided to wake you up. I'm like, damn. So right there, I started thinking back to 2009. As I said, was that really a ghost holding me down, or was it dream? And fast forward a few years, I think I was sleeping with my spouse, probably 2018, on my back, and she wake me up. And when she wake me up, me tell her, thank God you wake me up. But I don't remember nothing, like I was just having a bad dream. You feel me? And she said I was acting funny in my sleep, and I, was like, I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, and fast forward to this year, 2 times sleeping with my spouse, and she wake me up. And I said, what happened? And she said, you were acting funny in your sleep. You understand? And those 2 times I was sleeping on my back. And I noticed that when I sleep on my back, I always have some really messed up dreams. Some crazy, crazy dreams. But the thing is, you sleep so comfortable when you're on your back, but I guess your body is so relaxed that your mind just go places. You understand? And it's like your mind just taking on a war zone. With all of that being said and all of that happening to me, that 2009 incident really bring me back to say, oh, it wasn't a Duppy or a ghost. It was just my dream, because I just came from my friend's funeral feeling down, and funeral, people say Duppy, ghost, whatever, and went to bed right away, sleeping on my back, body comfortable, mind all over the place. And like sometimes you think about certain things, or you do certain things in the day, and voila, you happen to have dreams about it and stuff like that. So I don't believe in ghosts, I don't believe in Duppy. It's all a mind thing, it's all a mind thing. Yo, me have a friend who, the man can't sleep alone. Man tell me say, yo, Lus, if me ever try sleep alone, especially on my back, man say a number of time in my sleep and his own screaming wake him up. My ball out, why, why? Or whoever I'm asleep with have to wake him up. What do you? You know, the boss has ball out and scream out in his sleep because something or somebody are hold him down in that. So, yeah man, sleeping on the back can be dangerous. You feel me? Duppy come for you. Yeah, but sleep however you can, or you know, comment your few Duppy stories if you have any. But that is my so-called ghost or Duppy stories. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy my story. Like this video, share this video, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. And don't sleep on your back. Drink a wine and sleep on your side.
Down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice.